What if I told you that there is a way to find the answer to everyday life questions and the most important decisions in life? Do you know how important it is to know the truth nowadays? Of course you know. Otherwise, you wouldn't sign up for my The Real Truth email list. With so much information coming our way from everywhere, the newspaper, TV, social media, the radio, books, emails, search engines, with the censorship at the highest in history, word of mouth, family members or friends, whom we should believe, what should we trust? How do we know what is truth and what is not? How we separate the truth from the lies, what is right from what is wrong? Do you remember how many times your reason is telling you to do something, but your heart is saying something else? How do you know what is the right answer for you in these unprecedented times we are living in? Should I be prepared with all my necessities for the next lockdown or not? What if I told you that there is a way to find the truth for our everyday life questions and the most important decisions in life? That there is a simple method to separate the truth from the haystack of information we are bombarded every day. Yes, there is a method, a simple procedure I've been using for over a decade to find answers for most questions in life. And that method is dowsing, finding the truth by using a pendulum. I've been using a pendulum to find simple, complicated, and difficult answers for various kinds of questions. The decision making in my life has been far more easier. What if you know how to take a decision with a simple tool in a matter of seconds? For example, in the history of the US, we have the most important election coming up, for which we have to take a decision. There are so many candidates for various positions. Which candidate should I vote for? What is the right vote for the several propositions and measures? A pendulum is a mechanical amplifier for the subtle movements of our physical body as a response to questions we formulate. I am inviting you to my free webinar, The Use of a Pendulum to Find the Truth, and for everyday life questions, where I will elaborate on the many uses of the pendulums to find answers and the questions we cannot ask. I will also answer all the questions you may have. I am looking forward to seeing you there. When you take my course, The Use of the Pendulum to Find the Truth, I will help you to find the ugly truth.